James and Oliver. This is what being a steam engine is all about. Majestic elegance. The next train you pull, Henry, I want to see it done smooth as me. See you later, Henry. And Gordon puffed away, full of himself as usual. Are those coaches for me? Said Gordon to Percy.
Well, they are now, but they weren't originally, you see, said Percy, and he explained what happened. Well, basically, Thomas has run away, James is taking Thomas's goods train, and you're taking James's express.
Excellent! 2 express in one day can't be bad. So they puffed Gordon onto the coaches. Smooth the next time, please, Gordon, the snobby coaches complained. Well, this is a top-link train, you know, pull as smoothly. Smooth running is my speciality, retorted Gordon. And he puffed away. Percy went to shunt James's train. Smooth running indeed, as Gordon complained, thundering down the line. I'll show those coaches a thing or two. And he glided as silkily as he could until he got to the next station. Just then, James pulled into the station, looking forward to some nice shiny coaches. Hello, Percy, said James.
Yeah.
Percy explained the problem. What? Trucks? Rubbish! He banged the trucks hard. Bloody trucks! This is all your fault, Percy. They were my coaches. My express. Needless to say, James wasn't happy.